Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, it's Monday. It's the new week. It's a new week. And yes, it's the last few days of September. We have the month gone. Yes, so today we're wrapping up with avocado. And yes, thank you for all your likes, your subscription, and yes, all your comments on Monday Meds. Remember, this is your channel and I am your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. And yes, let us build this channel. Let us subscribe, let us share, and yes, definitely drop me comments on what would you love to see on Monday Meds. And yes, as we go into or look forward to October, we will definitely be sharing more with you. I know October coming up is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and yes, we'll be definitely sharing a lot more with you on natural remedies and things you can do to help your breast health. So yes, keep watching. Did tell you about bulla last week, and I found it. I did find it, and here it is. It is a Jamaican pastry. That's what I should have said. Yeah, so it's thin, uh, not very thin, about an inch. Yes, it's one of those. It's really sweet too. So yes, that's Jamaican bulla. All right, so yes, we eat that with avocado, and of course some people eat it with cheese and other stuff. All right, so one of the things I wanted to highlight when we talk about avocado and the avocado mask is that yes, you can definitely use lime with avocado, mixed with avocado for your face mask. And also, we did say we'll wrap up avocado today, but maybe sometime in the future we will talk about avocado oil. Yes, you can use avocado also in your hair, ladies, yes, and gentlemen. You can make avocado oil from avocado. All right, so yes, I did promise you how you can use avocado. I decided to do a video because it's easier when you hear it than actually many times when you read it. Hence, vlogging and YouTubing is one of the most effective way of reaching people. And so yes, I'm going to be sharing that with you right now. So yes, according to the In My Backyard book, you can use it internally and externally, like I said to you. So internally, we eat it, and yes, you can also use it as a decoction. And so add one teaspoon roasted pulverized seeds to 1.5 cups of water. Boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Add two dried leaves, to 1.5 cup of water. Boil for 3 to 5 minutes. And add 1 teaspoon of dried skin to 2 cups of water and boil for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so that's internally. All right, so yes, externally, and these are the seed. This is using the seeds or the seed. You will gargle, use it as a gargle, and you do a decoction of 2 teaspoons of dried seed powder in 2 cups of water. And yes, remember I told you it's great for tooth cavity filling or fitting, tooth cavity fitting. Size a small bit of fresh seed to snugly fit into tooth cavity. So if you have a tooth cavity, you can use that to just stick it in. All right, remember we can use it in our hair, yes, as a dandruff rub. So dandruff rub, combine powdered dried seed with enough water to make a fluidy paste, which then use to massage the scalp and rinse after 15 minutes. Next, you can also use it as a poultice. So yes, macerated, so you mash it or you can crush it up. Macerated fresh leaves are bandaged to wounds. And last but not least, yes, you can heat the leaves, and the heated leaves can be applied to the forehead to relieve neuralgia. So, neuralgia, according to healthline.com, this article written by Dr. Mary Ellen Ellis says that neuralgia is a stabbing or burning, often severe pain due to irritated or nerve damaged nerve, and this can happen anywhere in the body. Like, our nerves is all over our body. This damage may be caused by several things, including age, um, diabetes, or multiple sclerosis, or if you have an infection such as shingles. And yes, the benefits of avocado. Remember that avocado is a versatile food and it's a superfood. Yes, it's a superfood. It has so many vitamins and minerals, and of course other nutrients that are important nutrients that our body needs. And yes, have as much avocado as you can in this season. And yes, to all my viewers there in North America, happy fall. Happy fall to you. Have a safe one. And yes, eat up all those fall foods, the food that are harvested in the fall. And yes, remember to store up treasures. Store up treasures, right? Not just on earth, but yes, store up treasures in heaven where moth nor insects, no, nothing can steal it. But yes, have a wonderful week, everyone. God be with you.